Alright, so the way I find easiest to do problems like this, one way you can just memorize a pattern for geometric mean. There's a theorem that states about right triangles that um, there's several different geometric means, but the idea is that this piece right here, the yellow piece, divided by the blue piece, is equal to the blue piece divided by this teeny tiny green piece. Okay? So assuming that like the 9 goes from here to here, like they have it labeled here, and the x goes from here to here, the idea is that 9 over 6 is equal to 6 over x. That's the proportion, and that's how you solve for it. Now, to explain why it is, you can either memorize this. It's quick to just memorize this. This divided by the long part of the hypotenuse of the big triangle divided by its altitude is equal to the altitude divided by the short part of the hypotenuse that gets split by the altitude. The reason why is if you let's look at these triangles one at a time. This red triangle right here, let's focus on just this red triangle. Notice how this is like the long leg, and then where the 6 is the short leg. So long leg divided by short leg, long leg divided by short leg. Then let's compare that to a similar triangle. This triangle right here, look at the blue triangle. Notice how in the blue triangle, the 6 is the long leg, okay? Whereas in the other triangle, so the 6 is the long leg of the blue, whereas in the red triangle, the 6 was the short leg. And so long leg over short leg in the red triangle is equal to long leg over short leg in the blue triangle. And either way, once you solve that proportion, you can just cross multiply to solve for this. Here you get 6 times 6 is 36. Here you get 9x, and so you get that x is equal to 4 units long.